It's PROPtober!
Hey everybody, and welcome to week 4 of the RC with Adam PROPtober giveaway. That's right, we've been giving away propellers over the past couple of weeks, and today starts a new giveaway. So if you want to enter into that to win some Gemfan bi-blade propellers, leave a comment below with the hashtag PROPtober. Remember, you can enter on the videos on Instagram and YouTube by commenting with the hashtag PROPtober, but you can only win on one or the other. I'm not going to send you twice the stuff. Silly. Check the description below for full details on how to enter this giveaway.
And the winners of week 4, no, week 3, no, 4, 3, and the winners of week 3 PROPtober giveaway are Bobby Smith and Jonfly3d.
Bobby Smith and Jonfly3d, you are the winners for week 3 of PROPtober giveaway. Congratulations. Email me at RCwithAdam@gmail.com and give me your full shipping information, and I will send those props out to you. Hey, if you have already subscribed to my YouTube channel and followed me on Instagram, I really appreciate that, and I just want to say thanks. And that's why, I got to give you props for subscribing and stuff, so I really appreciate that. That was a terrible pun. And consider subscribing to this channel if you haven't already, and you kind of have to enter. That's kind of one of the things, because I want those tasty subscribers. That sounded strange. Hey, anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Be sure to comment below. I hope you win, and bye. Are they gone?